friends, it is the end of June and it's time for me to share with you my June thrift store finds. This month I made a trip to another thrift store on the other side of town and I lucked up on these two seasonal flags. They were each 75 cents each and I just thought couldn't pass those up. My sweet friend Paula thought of me when she was in Chicago this month and picked up this adorable stocking flag for me. You know, I have such a flag collection that I really do love ones that are a little different. I would have definitely bought this if I'd have seen it. And so Paula, if you're watching this, thanks again. I just love the stocking flag. The last few months I have shared basically what I've gotten at the bargain center because I've said numerous times how my regular store has just overpriced themselves. Well, one trip this month I did go in there and found two great things. And this was just a never used zippered carry-all case. It had 5 outdoor combo games. It has badminton, volleyball, the volleyball net. The whole setup, brand new at Walmart, was $32. So for $6.99, I thought this was an incredible price. With it being summer, this will be great for the grandkids in the backyard. If you watched my thrifted makeover a week or so ago, you will recall this wooden shelf I bought for $5.99. I made it over. It doesn't look anything like this when I bought it, but it was a nice solid wood shelf, and I thought that was definitely worth it. The thrift store that I got the two seasonal flags, I picked up 3 more things. I thought this wicker Tennessee basket was so cute. I'm going to find somewhere to put that. Cute sign that says Pumpkin Festival. I paid 99 cents for that Tennessee basket, by the way. This right here was 75 cents. Thought that was so cute to hang somewhere in the fall. And then this really pretty picture for 99 cents. It's kind of painted with gesso or something like that. I've seen people paint that, you know, it gives the picture texture, and I just love the look of that. I'll find somewhere to put that. So the rest of this stuff was strictly the bargain center. I actually picked up this little stick tree last month and I forgot to show it to you, but I'm going to use this for my little collegiate tree that I hang all my Tennessee ornaments on. It was originally $12.99, and so I'll find somewhere really cute to set that tree this Christmas. Thought this was really cool, this Amazing Grace, just out of a piece of wood. Like I said, everything was $1.50. A really good bargain I found was this, and I'm always looking for Pampered Chef stuff. This is a wet dry measure all. One side is liquid, one side is dry ingredients, and it is the most compact measuring cup you'll ever find. These are $12 online at Pampered Chef, and I may have paid $1. Thought this little apple sign was so cute. I've got the blueberry that matches it. It's actually originally from Dollar General. Thought that was so cute for the fall. This little wooden sign that's got farmhouse style hooks on it. I'm going to find somewhere. I've got somewhere to hang that. And believe it or not, I found Ray Dunn at the bargain center for $1. This little trinket tray I'm going to put up on my dresser to hold earring backs or just whatever I find, but thought that was so cute. Ray Dunn at the bargain center. Really nice Ninja silicone cube tray. I'm going to go into more detail maybe next week, but I have started a keto journey, and if you know what fat bombs are, this is the perfect thing, is why I bought it. But I just love that I found this super nice silicone mold. The next thing I found was a brand new in the box of glove. These are $10 at Walmart right now. I remember buying one when they first come out for, I think, my mother-in-law or something, and I paid like $15 for it. It is a Kevlar, if you know what that is. It's a type of fabric that does not burn. You cannot burn it or cut it. It's what they make, I think, some kind of fire suits out of, but it's the neatest little glove to grab skillets or pans and hot light bulbs and stuff like that. So I thought that was a neat find, brand new in the box. A few little seasonal things. I picked up this little vintage looking little squirrel that I'm hoping I might can find a place on a tiered tray for that. This was originally at Hobby Lobby, this cute little birdhouse spindle thing, and it was originally $7.99 at Hobby Lobby. Just thought that was cute with the little rusted roof on it. This adorable 2018 Hobby Lobby, 50 cents or $1, not sure what she charged me for that. Just a neat wood framed mirror that I'll find something to put in. And then a couple little things for some tiered trays in the future. This cute cornucopia for the fall, this little ceramic leaf, and these adorable, somebody must have done this in ceramics, these beautiful little carrots to sit on a tiered tray. I just love some of the things I found that I couldn't wait to share with you, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all my fun things. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.